Strategic management is a bundle of tricks and magic. Whether the statement is correct or incorrect. Already we have gone through the basics of strategic management. So let's record the fact it is an incorrect statement. Strategic management is not a bundle of tricks and magic. It is rather a deliberate, you can say it is rather a deliberate, or it is a conscious and intentional managerial process. Okay, so it is not a magic and all. It has to be done deliberately, it has to be done consciously, and it is an intentional managerial process, and this requires what is known as systematic thinking. Systematic thinking is required, then analytical thinking is also required for strategic management. Okay, so systematic thinking, analytical thinking, added to all this, what's more important is action. Mere thinking alone is not sufficient. You have to get into actions. So only when all this happens, we can say strategic management is in place. Okay, so it will not happen by way of magic, it will not happen by way of trick. Remember, the success or the failure, the success or failure of a strategy actually depends upon several extraneous factors, we can say, and it is not simply based on some trick or magic. Okay, so formulating a strategy, let me put that here, formulating a strategy itself requires several things. Formulating strategy requires first a planning, right? Then it requires strong, I'll split that as strong conceptual skills, then analytical skills, and then visionary skills, right? Okay, so again reiterating, strategic management is not a bundle of tricks and magic.